I've been stopping this dog for 3 dog stopping years, and I can't be here anymore. My voice is literally changed. Wait, I forgot I have teleporting power. LOL.
It's Starstopper! Why did you leave us?
Look, I just wanted to stop other dogs, but now I'm back.
What happened to your voice?
Gasp, you know. Let me teach you how to swing your horse, Franklin. But you don't have arms. Yes, I do.
Seriously, Franklin, sometimes you don't see the small details.
Wow, suddenly 100 years have passed. I'm already a sword master.
Wait, Starstopper, I didn't master my sandwich skills yet.
Wait with the sandwich. There's a monster there. I believe in you guys. Okay, monster, it's time to go but DS. Help us. Damn it, I have to do everything here. Get it. Now wake up, you two.
I can't believe this. We trained for this for 100 years. Well, most of the time we were talking about pizza with pineapple.
I'm so disappointed in you. Why am I kicking you anyway? There's no point. Your sword is too stupid. No need to be upset. We'll go to school and become less stupid. Here, now we are not stupid anymore. Oh yeah? What's 1, 2, 2, 3, 9, 5, 8 plus 1, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 0, 3. Wow, guess you're not stupid after all.